today for the Bitcoin and Ethereum price. And yes, guys, this is a very big warning for everyone in Bitcoin and Ethereum right now. And what am I talking about here? Well, there is a brand new pattern in the charts, and there are two scenarios. They couldn't be more closer to each other, but also not more different. And guys, this is one I definitely want to show you here, even though I want to go to sleep actually, even though I need to wake up in 5 hours. I don't care about that, guys. My main purpose is here to push content towards you. So let me talk about that. We are finding ourselves here in the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin. I will make it as short as possible. So what you can see here is actually something very similar to what was happening before. And before I'm going into it, I wanted to remind you guys very quickly, make sure you go down to the pinned comment. In the very first comment, from the verified account MMCrypto, you will find a $5,810 free bonus. If you click these links here, it's a combined bonus. Step number 1, you make your account, takes 15 seconds. Step number 2, after you initially deposit, you get these bonuses for free. And now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. And by the way, guys, if you are clicking these links, if you are claiming the bonus, let me quickly go back. If you are claiming the bonus, guys, you can just leave it on the sidelines and wait for the next trading scenario, because right now, I'm taking a few steps back and I'm very careful here opening a new trade. So now let's go into the Bitcoin price, and you can see on the 4-hourly candles that Bitcoin was previously in this breakdown mode and forming the descending triangle, touching support many times, eventually breaking down. And this is the thing, guys, exactly hitting the price target of the measured move price target of the descending triangle here. The measured move price target was at 42,500. We wicked like $100 below. And that's it. So now the question is Bitcoin doing the exact same thing here once again? Because you can see right now, Bitcoin is, with this horizontal support, right now forming another descending triangle. And I mean, descending triangles are bearish patterns. They are coming here back to back right now, which is of course not the nicest thing in the world, right? So we are having another descending triangle. And for this descending triangle, if Bitcoin were to break down, and this is just one of these scenarios I told you, they are very close to each other. They couldn't be more close, but also not more different to each other. The price target is the $39,000 price level. And this is the thing, guys. If Bitcoin were to break down, look at this. My price, my entry price is actually at $38,000. Of course, my liquidation price is even way below that. My trade is actually right now approximately $160,000, $170,000 in profits. But this is the only trade I'm having open here. I have one more trade actually, or one FEMAX, but I have only 2 trades open. All the other trades are actually closed off. I took all my profits, and of course, besides these like 12, 13 good trades we made, the last 2 trades did not work out for me personally. But I'm still having these profitable trades here open, and now we have to see what's happening, because it's not only a descending triangle here unfolding for Bitcoin. No, guys. There's always something else, right? And it's not so easy. It is the triple bottom pattern. We are forming, of course, the triple bottom here because we have a horizontal resistance and we have a horizontal support. If Bitcoin were to break this specific, very important resistance level, and you can see it more clearly here on the hourly candles. It's not as clean as the inverse head and shoulder, as the descending triangle, but you can see we are having some horizontal resistance also. So if Bitcoin were to break this, the price target towards the upside would be, let me show you this quickly, guys. And here it's very easy. If you really want to trade it, I would refrain. I would be very careful. But if you want to trade it, you long if we break resistance, you short if we break support. It is easy as that. Of course, wait for the confirmation. The breakout to the upside would bring us to $49,100. And let me quickly also go over to Ethereum, but what I promised you in the beginning, they couldn't be more different and they couldn't be more close to each other, because we have a very small corridor. If we break the support, descending triangle break down to lower price targets. If we are breaking the resistance though, breakout from the triple bottom formation to $49,000. However, so far the bullish breakouts are not working out. We were talking about a potential W pattern earlier. It faked out towards the downside. Bitcoin is in full on bear mode, and we have to break these resistances above us to actually flip this one again over, because Bitcoin on the 1 hourly, on the 4 hourly, on the daily, no, on the 1 hourly and on the 4 hourly, we are below the EMA ribbon. On the daily we are as well. So we are we are in a bear trend here on all different time frames. Let me quickly cross check the daily. I don't want to say anything wrong here, but if I'm going over to the daily, then pulling out the EMA ribbon, then you can see clearly even the daily EMA ribbon is even flipping bearish right now and Bitcoin is below. So be very, very careful right now. I wanted to talk about Ethereum as well, just as I promised you. But for Ethereum, I really want to go over to the 4-hourly candles and then also diminish here this. You know what? I will just leave it in. But you can see it's also below the ribbon. But for Ethereum, it's not as relevant as for Bitcoin. But you can see Ethereum actually broke this head and shoulders pattern already to the downside. We did not hit the price target yet. The price target is at $2,900 US. Ethereum only came close. And Ethereum is forming something very similar to Bitcoin right now. So let's just wait and see for Ethereum. Whether it is going towards the upside or towards the downside, because still I am seeing some indications that Ethereum might be a leading indicator as to what is to come for Bitcoin in the immediate future. Let me know what you think about that. And I also wanted to show you one thing here. Over on my Twitter profile at MMCrypto, I was posting Michael Saylor versus Elon Musk. So you have Michael Saylor on the upside with Bitcoin, of course, in his back, and Elon Musk just bending over to grab the Dogecoin. So let me know, are you in? I don't know. Don't want to promote division or so, but I think it's just a funny thing to do and to make them play against each other, because they are already fighting on Twitter a little bit. Elon Musk was posting Sailor Moon, you know, this anime character, because Michael Saylor is like a moon boy just like us, right? So I want to engage that a little bit. Let's have a little bit of fun. So let me know if you're in the team Saylor or in the team Musk. That would be very interesting as well. So let me know also if you are bullish or bearish for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Mid-run, nothing changed for me. Mid-run, I am still bullish for Bitcoin as long as we are not, and this is important, closing a weekly candle below the 21-week EMA. Now wicking below and whatever, no problem for me on the weekly time frame to consider whether we are still in a bull trend or bear trend, bull market or bear market. We need the closers of the weekly here at the 21-week EMA. The 21-week EMA being in the end of the week approximately at $46,300 US. Let me know what you think about that. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. I will see you very soon in the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys. As always. Bye-bye.